Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So beat the heat with a taste of sunshine as we are making a simple yet stunning dessert perfect for a refreshing summer treat. It's mango fool. Forget complicated baking. This recipe is all about fresh seasonal mangoes and a touch of creamy magic. It's so easy. You'll be whipping up this delicious dessert in no time. Imagine a burst of sweet mango flavor in every bite, perfectly complemented by the smooth and creamy texture. This fool is light, refreshing and perfect for any occasion, a delightful ending to a summer meal or a satisfying afternoon snack. So ditch the ice cream and embrace the sunshine. Let's get blending and create a delicious mango fool at home. If you're new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Also do share my recipes with your friends and family so they also can try these recipes at home. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take a bowl, add 1.5 cup double cream or whipped cream, then add half cup sugar and whisk it until it reaches soft peak. Do not over whip it as it will split the cream. Make sure it is something like this. Then add 1 cup mango pulp, or you can also add mango puree. Then fold in the mix until everything is mixed properly. Then whisk it until it is soft thick. Make sure you do not over whip it as it will split the cream. Make sure it is something like this. Then refrigerate this for about 3 hours. Then take a piping bag and a star nozzle and prepare the piping bag as shown. Then simply fill the piping bag with mango mix. And there you have it guys, a beautiful glass of mango fool ready to transport you to a tropical paradise. Look at those vibrant layers of creamy white and sunshiny yellow. A feast for the eyes and a delight for the taste buds. This fool is proof that sometimes the simplest desserts are the most satisfying. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more refreshing summer recipes like this one. Oops, almost forgot. For an extra tropical twist, you can add a splash of rum or coconut rum to the mango puree before folding in the whipped cream. Please do subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Do comment and let me know if you have any questions regarding this recipe. Also do share my recipes with your friends and families. Now go forth and cool down with this delicious mango fool recipe. Until next time, happy blending. Bye.